I'm Blake Madsen with Brand Command and Avery Dennison Training. Welcome to the PrismaPro Method. Today we're talking about all the tools you need to install PrismaPro, from the WrapGlove GHOST to your squeegees and buffers and your knives and blades. Consider this your essential tool checklist. I have my recommended tools out on the table here, and I just want to walk you through and show you the tools that I have for working with PrismaPro. We do recommend using a tack reducer. The film has a very high initial tack, so on large flat areas, I'm going to use a tack reducer. Avery Dennison recommends using a thick buffer that we can wet down with a slick solution to help our squeegees glide. When I'm working with PrismaPro, I'm going to use a heat gun instead of a torch. What I want to avoid is getting the film too hot, and when we're using a torch, we can actually burn the top coat of the film. With my heat gun, I have my extension cord. I'm also going to include my normal wrap tool set. Along with the slick buffer, Avery recommends using an ultra slick installation glove like this Avery Dennison WrapGlove GHOST. I have my micro tuck tools. These are the Avery Dennison Flex Streams. And I have a blue one and a red one for two different stiffnesses. The blue is a little stiffer than the red. I have my regular wrap squeegees, including a soft and a hard squeegee. And on both, I'm using banana buffers, a thick foam buffer that I can soak down and get it slick and really glide. I have two different knives, one with a 30-degree blade and one with a 45-degree blade. A lot of traditional PPF installers prefer a 45-degree blade, so we can use this to make scoring cuts versus my normal wrap blade I'm going to use to cut all the way through. I'm always going to use a snitty to trim off any of my excess from my panel or when I'm trimming it off the roll, because I don't want to use my knife and cut through and accidentally cut the car or my coworker. I'm also going to use a cut tape that has a metal wire in it. This is made for paint protection film, and it can cut through very thick materials. For my cleaning supplies, I have glass cleaner for any dirty panels. This is going to be like my car wash clean and get off any visible dirt. I have my isopropyl alcohol that is going to be my final cleaning. It's going to be a degreaser and make sure the panel is ready to stick. And we also have a clay bar pad.